Hey, day two. Welcome back. Well, we are at Castlerock Beach, just outside Dunsborough in WA, and have a look at that water. Absolutely beautiful. This is sensational. Gorgeous day. Coming down for a swim with Jack and Carla, and I'm going to go get some photos of that Castlerock. It's good actually. There's a little sailing boat there, so it should come up pretty nice. You've got to find a location here. Perfect conditions. Got my new Danners, new waterproof sneakers. These are like boat shoes, so they're pretty awesome, especially for the rocks. Plenty of rocks down here, and I've got to do a bit of traversing. But I want to get over and get some shots of that Castlerock. I don't know if I can zoom in there. Look at that. There's a photo in itself of that beautiful water. So probably get over the bay here and try a couple of shots up closer, see what I can find. And then yeah, look at that. There's the beach back there, little sandy cove. Obviously not a cloud in sight today. It's pretty warm, but not too bad, but the water's absolutely beautiful in temperature. So yeah, very nice. So we'll head over here a little bit more closer, so I get some photos of that. Rightio guys, so this is composition. This is Castlerock up here. You can see here, I've got Albert here, my trusty sidekick, all set up. I've got a couple of shots. I've used my new Nisi 32,000. I've got a 1,000 on there now. I've used the 32,000 15 stop, which was pretty cool actually. I haven't had it, I've probably only used it once or twice, and the last time I went in and used the Nisi app this time to set up my times with the bulb timer, and come up really good. But then I swapped back and went to the 1,000 just to get some different variations, and then I did some zoom ins. You can see I've got it zoomed out there to 105mm. Just zooming in on this small rock just over there, and that's it right at the foreground, and then this large rock. I'm not sure if you can see it. Probably going to be terrible light there. Nah, maybe a little bit there. There you go, a little bit of colour there. But yeah, look, really happy. Trusty rock solid Albert 3-legged thing. Can't recommend them enough. Not only do they look good, but they're awesome tripods. It's the only way I trust me RP on there. So come up really good. Got this beautiful sailing boat in the side too as well, and these little rocks. Couple of different speeds, different apertures, some sharper ones just to sort of see how far I can take it. Just played around a little bit, but yeah, it's a gorgeous view. Look at that. How nice is that?
Almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field, when you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do.
that's us for today. Now I also got the drone up. I'll flick into some drone and a little bit of music to finish off to show you just the general area of this Castlerock. But the water is crystal clear, and the new boots, what are these called? Trail Coma from Dana's. Fully self-draining, waterproof, perfect for walking on rocks. As these suckers behind, which are going to go back to the van to see little Jack and take him for a swim. So awesome, it's comfy as hell. I've got to have it, no socks on, just beautiful. Been wearing it for the last 2 days. Fantastic, Dana, thank you very much. Awesome, but look at this. Holidays, crystal clear water, south coast of WA. Come see it. All I can say, come see it. It's worthwhile, worth this. You get these views for days and days. We've got 3 weeks of this. So yeah, I hope you like this one. Short, this is sort of what I'm gonna do. Like, hopefully get a heap of videos out. Just do quick little day ones where I come and do a couple of little photos about beautiful places like this. Hopefully you would have seen yesterday's one, which was a little bit of Canal Rocks, a little bit of Injure Up Spa. I think I got that Injure Up Spa, I think that's right. Hope you like that one, but look, the boats are out, guys on jet skis. It's time to go for a swim with the family and enjoy this beautiful summer weather. Where we are, hope it's not freezing cold, and I hope it's sunny like here. See you on the next video. Peace.